Hi there, I'm Anton Graf and I'm a BMW specialist for electronics. My company is located in Hamburg, Germany, and in our videos we present you the common problems of BMW cars. In this video we will discuss a very big problem that all of BMW cars will sooner or later have, the problem with the steering lock. All cars have or will have problems with the steering lock. This is how it looks like. This is the thing, but this steering lock don't only is a part of many components. The steering lock, the engine ECU and the immobiliser. Many problems of the car we can solve by remote programming. We will send you such a cable and we will instruct you how to use it, to connect it between your car and a notebook. And then we can do the programmings of the car by remote. Also this problem we can in many cases solve by remote without you coming here to Hamburg or sending us the stuff. But it always depends on the case you have. Why this problem occurs and why it's so expensive to solve it. BMW dealership, to solve this problem, they change not only the steering lock, they also change the immobiliser, because this is the one who is activating this one, and they also change the control unit for the engine, because you have a counter between the immobiliser and the ECU of the engine. And if you don't change all three of them, including the keys of the car, the problem won't stop. But this one is very expensive. It will cost you about 3,000 euro to change this. And you only have 1 year warranty. After 1 year, the problem can start all over again. We have a solution for this problem. In the world, there are many solutions for these problems. One, for example, is to reset a counter, the counter of the steering lock. But this problem won't help sometimes at all, sometimes it helps maybe for a week or two. Then there are emulators. Emulators you put instead of this steering lock. This thing will also not work for a long time, because the problem is not only in the steering lock, the problem is also in all three components. We have a solution for this case. We can modify your car to be like the newer models. For example, the newer models like the cars starting from 2012, 13 and up, they have no more steering lock because the system didn't work that good, so they cancelled it. But also the cars from this age, 2007, 5, cars like the X5, X6, the 7er series, the premium brands or the premium cars, they also never had a steering lock, because this system was only put into cars, normal cars like 1 series, 3rd series, 5 series. And we can modify the system so the car will be like your old models or the newer models without the steering lock. And if we modify the system, then the car will be forever, you will solve this problem, because this one won't happen again. If this one is not working, of course it cannot break. So of course you get a one year warranty from us, like if you pay 3,000 euro at BMW dealership, but this problem is solved forever. What do? We need to reprogram the engine ECU, we need to reprogram or change the immobiliser, and then we can solve the problem forever. It depends if your steering lock is locked or not. Sometimes it's locked, it won't work. For this one we also have a solution for you, so you don't need to send us this stuff, because if you have to take it out to the car and send us everything is very complicated. If you're in Germany, then it's easier, but if you're far away, then we have another solution for you. It will depend on your car, if we do it by remote, or we will send you some parts, so you have only to exchange, but we will find a solution to help you. If you have friends who are also driving BMW, or you have some experience, comment it in our comment section, share the video, and subscribe to our channel, so you will be notified for the new videos we will share with the common problems the BMW cars have.